this sad history of our times, the violent days of betrayal, the screaming of the innocents as people were gunned down, many disappearing without a trace.
We request the right to play football on weekends.
Nee.
We request the right to play football on weekends.
Nee. Nee.
We request the right to play football on weekends.
Nee.
Uit. We're not unreasonable men. Oor 2 weke, 3, sal 'n stikkend gespeel.
A place beyond hope. A band of prisoners form a football league. It changed their lives and the course of history. More than just a game. Coming soon to a cinema near you.